Application Maintenance and Monitoring Report.
Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be talking about my application maintenance and monitoring report. Instead of just explaining this in theory, I'll be using TikTok as an example since it's an app that most of us are already familiar with and use almost every day. When we talk about application maintenance and monitoring report, we're really talking about how an app stay online, secure, fast, and reliable even when millions of people are using it at the same time. For an app as a big TikTok, even a small issue can affect a lot of users. So constant monitoring and regular maintenance are very important. Now we proceed the application overview. Let me start with a short overview of the application. The app I'm focusing on this TikTok is falls under quick video sharing category. It all allows users to create, watch, and share short video using music, effects, and filters. TikTok currently has over 1 billion active users worldwide, which already tell us how big and complex the system behind it is. Because of this huge user base, the developer's main responsibility is to make sure the app is safe, smoothly, and easy to use at all times. Application overview. Let me begin with a brief overview of the application. The application I am focusing on this TikTok, which belongs to the quick video sharing category. It allows users to create, watch, and share short video using music, effects, and filter. TikTok currently has over 1 billion active users worldwide, which shows how large and complex the system behind the application is because of this massive user base. The main responsibility of the developers is to ensure that application is safe, smooth, and easy to use at all times. Why maintenance and monitoring matter? Now, why are application maintenance and monitoring so important? Applications are not something that can be built once and they left alone. They require continuous attention. Maintenance focuses on fixing bugs, updating features, and improving security. Monitoring helps developers detect problems early, such as slow performance, system errors, or usually activity, often before user even notice. Without proper maintenance and monitoring, an application like TikTok could easily experience crashes, security issues, or a loss of user trust. And now we proceed on advantage of TikTok's maintenance and monitoring. Now, let us discuss some of the advantage of how TikTok is maintained and monitored. And number one, strong security. The first advantage is strong security. TikTok uses security measures such as two-factor authentication and privacy settings to protect user accounts. In the background, monitoring systems continuously check for suspicious activity. This helps prevent hacking, data breaches, and unauthorized accesses, which is especially important for an application which has a large number of users. And number two, smooth performance. Another major advantage is smooth performance. Every day, TikTok handles billions of video uploads, views, and interactions. Despite this heavy usage, the application generally runs smoothly. This is possible because system performance is constantly monitored. When, when issues such as slow servers or errors are detected, developers can respond quickly before they affect users. Continuous and number three, continuous improvements. The third advantage is continuous improvement. TikTok regularly releases updates that includes new video effects, additional music and sounds options, and improvements to the user pages. These updates are the parts of regular applications maintenance. Monitoring user behaviors also helps developers understand which features work well and which one need improvement. Even though TikTok has strong maintenance and monitoring systems, it still faces several important challenges. These challenges are common for large-scale applications and require constant attention from developers and system administrators. Number one challenges is data privacy concerns. One of the biggest challenges TikTok faces is data privacy. Because TikTok operates globally, it collects data from users in many different countries. Each country has its own data protection law and regulations, which makes data management very complex. Developers must constantly monitor how user data is collected, where it is stored, how it's processed and protected. Even with strong security system, public concern remains high. Any misunderstanding or small issues relate to data handling can quickly affect user trust and company's reputation. This is why continuous monitoring and regular audits are necessary to ensure compliances and transparency. Content moderation challenges. Another major challenge is content moderation. Millions of videos are uploaded to TikTok every single day. Monitoring all of this content to ensure it follows community guidelines is extremely difficult. TikTok uses automated tools such as artificial intelligence to detect harmful or inappropriate content. However, automated systems are not perfect. They can sometimes miss problematic content or mistakenly remove acceptable videos. Because of this, TikTok also relies on human moderators. Still managing content or such a large scale requires constant monitoring, update, and improvements to moderation system. This challenge just highlights the balance between allowing creative freedom, protective users, enforcing platform rules, complexity for the user pages algorithm. Another important challenge is the complexity of the user pages. This feature is what makes TikTok unique, but is also one of the hardest systems to maintain and monitor. The algorithm must analyze user behavior such as watch, watch time, likes and share, comments and searches. Based on this data, recommends video that match user interests. However, the system must also ensure that users are exposed to diverse content and not limited to only one type of video. If the algorithm is not monitored properly, users may feel bored or trapped in one content category. New creators may struggle to reach audience. Because of this, the algorithm requires constant testing, monitoring, and adjustment. System scalability and traffic spikes. Another challenge is system scalability. TikTok often experience sudden traffic spikes during viral trends, live events, challenges, or campaign. The system must be able to handle these spikes without slowing down or crashing. This requires constant monitoring or server performance and ability to quickly scale resources when needed. Without proper scalability, planning users may experience delay, buffering, or service interruption. Handling misinformation and harmful trends. A growing challenge for TikTok is the spread of misinformation and harmful trends. Some content may be promote false information, unsafe behavior, or harmful challenges. Monitoring this type of content requires both technology and human judgment. TikTok must be constantly update its monitoring system to detect harmful patterns, remove dangerous content quickly,
Number 1.
educate
Automatic data
users
saving.
through
We
warning
automatically
or
save all your
guidelines.
important information and content. This protects your creations if there are system problems or shutdowns so that things keep working. Number 2. Extra backup systems. Many backup servers run at the same time. If a main system has a problem, TikTok automatically switches to a backup system. This means TikTok is always available for everyone around the world. And number 3. Team always watching. Our team works 24/7 to watch how TikTok is working. They find and fix problems fast to keep TikTok running and make sure everyone has a good experience no matter where they are.
In conclusion, applications, maintenance, and monitoring are critical to the long-term success of large-scale digital platforms such as TikTok. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok requires continuous system monitoring, regular maintenance, and rapid response strategies to ensure reliable performance, strong security, and positive user experience. Through proactive monitoring, the platform is able to identify potential issues early, reduce downtime, and maintain system stability even during high traffic periods. Despite facing challenges such as data privacy concerns, content moderation complexities, and the management of advanced recommendation algorithms, the TikTok continues to improve its system through constant updates, s- strict security measures, and scalability infrastructure. These efforts demonstrate the importance of having well-planned maintenance strategies and effective monitoring tools in place. Overall, this report highlights how proper application and maintenance and monitoring help build user trust, support platform growth, and ensure consistent services quality. By prioritizing system reliability, security, and transparency, TikTok remains a leading global application in short form video sharing. And thank you for your time and attention. Good day.